Here we have a 1965 Valiant Signet two-door hardtop. This car was built in the Windsor, Ontario, Canada assembly plant as an AL series vehicle, and it's intended for the Canadian market. Chrysler Canada offered equivalents of both the US-built Plymouth Valiant as the AV series and the US-built Dodge Dart as the AL series, but marketed both cars as Valiants in Canada. This AL series Valiant Signet is painted in sable tan metallic, paint code LL, with a 111-inch wheelbase. This car is equipped with the optional 273 cubic inch V8 engine and A904 3-speed torque-flate automatic transmission. Valiant hubcaps were used, including the faux mag hubcaps that were not available on the US Dart. The Valiant Signet script callout was the same as the 65 US Valiant Signet model and located on the front fender in about the same position. All of the AL series Valiants had the trim for the canopy top installed, but if you wanted the vinyl insert, that was an option that was ordered separately. Being a virtual equivalent to the US-built Dodge Dart GT, this car has the appropriate hood emblem, grille, trunk lid, and interior changes identifying it as a Valiant. This car was sold at both Plymouth Chrysler and Dodge Chrysler dealerships in Canada, and the original list price was approximately $3,336.